Yesterday afternoon was one of the senior trainers here, Dawn Branshaw.
Family fun-oriented SeaWorld audiences had to witness the horrific sight of a killer whale dragging its trainer to death right before their eyes.
When he raced around the tank and came back, he bobbed up in the air, bobbed up, came down with a person in his mouth, was shaking her violently. A shoe flew off, and sirens immediately started going off. People were running everywhere. And then we were ushered away and told us, they just basically said, you need to leave.
According to the Orlando Sentinel, Tilikum, the whale involved in the incident, has a controversial past. The whale was blamed for the drowning of one of his trainers in 1991 while he was performing at Sealand in British Columbia. Sold to SeaWorld as a stud in 1992, the whale was involved in a second incident when authorities discovered the body of a man lying across his back in July of 1999. SeaWorld officials insist that the administration took this into account while designing safety measures.
To the best of our ability, we tried to provide an environment where we worked with him safely. We never got in the water with him like we did with our other killer whales.
However, an amateur video shows the late trainer in the water just minutes before the attack. Tilikum is unlikely to be euthanized or isolated for this. However, he will probably never be freed. Instead, SeaWorld trainers will continue working with him, despite speculation from animal rights groups that captivity has made the orca angry or possibly psychotic. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.